My name is Keshwani. There's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the GRE Official Guide, 4th edition, 2025. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. Today is our lesson number 22 and we are on page number 223. The very first problem on page number 223, problem number 1, as you can see, is already on the blackboard. Let's take a look at it. We are told that we bought a used bicycle for $75. We fixed it, we repaired it, we spent $27 to repair it, we are told, and then we sold it for 40% more than the total amount that we spent on it, which is the price that we paid for the bicycle plus the repair cost. The question simply is, which column is bigger? The price that was sold, the bicycle was sold for, versus 140. I'll give you a second, do it yourself, pause the video and do it yourself. Let's see what we can do. So the price that it was sold for, we are told, represents a 40% markup, which is 140%, which represents 140% of the amount that we spent on it, which is the $75 that we spent on it to buy it, and the $27 that we spent on it to repair it. As you can see, 75 plus 27 is 102. 140% of 102, 140% of 102 is of course more than 140. The answer is A. Let's do the next one. On the same page, let's do the next one. 140% of 102, what it is, we're not interested in it. Whatever it is, 140% of 102, of course, is going to be more than 140. Let's do the next one on the same page, problem number 2. We are on page number 223. Let me find the page here in the book. Actually, we are on the next page now. We are on page number 224 on the next page. We are given this picture. It looks like this. This is the shaded part. We are told that this is P, Q, R, S, T and V. We are told that P, Q, R, V, P, Q, R, V, we are told, P, Q, R, V and V, R, S, T, V, R, S, T are squares with side 6. Here's what we have to figure out. Column A tells us the area of the shaded region versus column B, which is 36. Let's see what we can do. Area of the shaded region. Before we worry about the shaded region, we have to understand that this is a square, P, Q, R, V is a square, that's a square, which side 6, which means this is 6 and this is 6, which means the area of one square is 36. Area of one square is 36, area of the other square is 36, which means the total area is 72. We don't have to go that far. We have to understand that this shaded region, whatever it is shown, represents half of the total area. The area of the shaded region is simply 36 plus 36 divided by 2, which of course is 36. The answer is C. That's a 36. It's exactly half the area. Let's do the next one. Number 3, we are told that the tax on a house worth $125,000 was $2,500. We are told that we paid $2,500 in property taxes, which was evaluated by the town at $125,000. Here's what we have to figure out. Column A says the tax on a house that is worth $160,000 versus column B, which is $3,000. Go ahead, do it yourself. I insist that you do it yourself first. I'll give you a second to be able to pause and unpause the video. We'll do it together in a second. Let's see what we can do. Don't make it complicated, keep it simple, set it up as a simple proportion problem. So here's the text, here's the value. We already know the text is $2,500 on something that is worth $125,000. The question is, what is going to be the tax on something that is worth 160? This says 160. I didn't mean to say 160. Obviously, I don't have to do it. It's silly. I meant to say $160,000. Let's figure it out. We just have to solve for x. So x will have to equal to 2,500, which I'm going to write that as 250 times 10 times 160 over 125. There we go. Divide top and bottom by 125. 125 goes away. 250 becomes 2. 10 times 1600 is 160. 10 times 160 is 1600 times 2 is 3200, which means the tax here is 3200, which is more than 3000. The answer is A. That was it. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.